Quick question. If you open your Meta ad account right now and it looks like spaghetti, campaigns everywhere, ad sets everywhere, budgets all over the place, this video is for you. Because in 2026, messy ad accounts don't perform better, they perform worse. Here's the thing most advertisers still don't realize. Complex campaign structures don't impress Meta's AI anymore. They confuse it. Meta is now an AI-first platform. It learns from data. And when you fragment that data across too many campaigns and ad sets, the system can't learn properly. So what you end up with is higher costs, slower optimization, and ads that never really stabilize. Let's talk about what I see inside most ad accounts. Too many campaigns, too many ad sets, budgets spread so thin that nothing gets enough signal. It usually comes from good intentions, testing audiences, testing interests, testing placements, but in 2026, that approach works against you. The shift now is simple. Fewer campaigns, consolidated data, and letting Advantage Plus do the heavy lifting. When you consolidate, Meta's AI sees patterns faster, it exits the learning phase sooner, and it delivers your ads more efficiently. That's the whole point. Let me make this very practical. For e-commerce brands, in most cases, you only need one Advantage Plus shopping campaign and one supporting campaign for creative testing or scaling. That's it. Not 10 campaigns, not 15 ad sets. For service businesses or coaches, you're usually looking at one lead or conversion campaign as your main driver and one retargeting layer. Again, simple, clean, focused. Here's the principle I want you to remember. Consolidation equals faster learning and better delivery. The more signal you give the AI in one place, the better it works for you. If you want to see real ad account structures, live examples, and have help mapping your own setup properly, I'm covering this in depth inside the Meta Ads 2026 workshop. It's free, and I'll walk you through exactly how to structure your campaigns for today's AI-first system. You'll find the registration link below.